We're here at NAIA Terminal 3. So we observe over capacity. This is the first time that we saw volume of passengers. Practically all Cebu Pacific flights punong-puno, no? Even our flights going to Jensan, we're on standby mode. Pero all, tignan natin, no? Yung schedule, no? Let us see the schedule, no? Puro to ba announce yan? Schedule. But if you check na yung condition ng airport, sobrang punuan. So we have traveled in other countries, hindi ganito ka congested. Yung volume lang, no? You go out there, the volume of passengers, yung iba wala nang maupuan. This is NAIA Terminal 3. Kailangan natin ng magandang airport talaga, no? To absorb yung travelers. You go here, this side, i-check mo, no? Paupo yung mga passengers na nasa, walang maupuan. You know, see yung capacity ng airport. Hinabot mo na yung capacity. Wala ka ng decent na places for, ito nakatingin yung mga schedule na. Si Jensan is on hold, but we observe here nasa gilid na nakaupo yung mga passengers, sa PC sa gilid na nakaupo. So over capacity. Pagpasok namin kanina ganito, walang change, no, sa yung mga people. Nandiyan nakaupo na lang sa floor. Yung capacity ng airport, inabot mo na. These are passengers na papasok pa. So we're waiting yung schedule ng punong-puno na talaga. We need better airport talaga. Check natin this area. Schedule. Now boarding. Okay.